In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your message has been seen on Slack and explore whether it's possible to find out who has read your Slack messages. Now, Slack is an essential tool for many workplaces, offering seamless communication in channels and direct messages. However, like any tool, it has its limitations, and one such limitation is that Slack doesn't provide exact read receipts like some other messaging apps do, such as WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. This means you cannot see exactly who in your channel has read your message. However, don't worry, there are ways you can get a sense of whether your message has been noticed by using indirect indicators. So, let's dive in and explore how to check who might have read your messages in Slack. To start with, let's discuss how you can use reactions as a clue. When you're in a Slack channel or a direct message, you can hover over your message and click the Add Reaction icon, which resembles a smiley face emoji. Once you've done that, you can ask your colleagues to react with an emoji once they have read your message. This can serve as an indirect confirmation that someone has seen what you've posted. Viewing reactions on your message is a straightforward way to gauge interaction and shares a similar function to a read receipt in other messaging platforms. Next, let's talk about replies and threads. Threads in Slack can be particularly useful to track engagement with your messages. If someone replies to your message in a thread, it's a pretty good indication that they have read the original message, as responding often requires them to directly interact with what you initially posted. This is an indirect method to see engagement, but it's effective because it reflects an active participation from your team members. Now, when it comes to direct messages, Slack doesn't show if a message has been seen. But just as with channel messages, you can look for a reply or a reaction to your message as probable signs that the other person has seen it. If they take the time to respond or react with an emoji, it's likely they have read it. For those who have administrative privileges in a workspace, Slack offers workspace analytics, which can help you to view engagement metrics more broadly. By navigating to settings, then analytics, and selecting messages, you can access these insights. Here you'll see overall participation, including things like engagement metrics, reactions, and message activity. While this won't tell you exactly who has read each message, it provides a valuable overview of how engaged your workspace is at a general level. So, while Slack doesn't offer direct read receipts, these methods can help you gain insight into whether your messages have been noticed by your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate Slack's limitations effectively.